This is a 1957 Olympia SM3 DeLuxe. It has been refurbished. It is in very near mint condition. It is ready to type. This is a beautiful Olympia SM3 DeLuxe. It is in very near mint condition. The finish looks really great on it. And it types really well. There's one spot here. And up near the paper edge guide, there's a little spot there. Everything works as it should. It has a new ribbon installed and it's ready to go. It's one of the best Olympia SM3s I've seen. This typewriter comes with its original case, which is in really good condition. It even comes with the key. And it has been cleaned and it's solid and it does latch well. It has some spots on it and some wear. The rubber feet on the bottom of the case. They're hardened and that one's especially is pretty worn.